humans are animals. I know that didn't sound like a compliment, but maybe that's because we have misunderstood what an animal really is. Tonight, I'm going to tell you the greatest family story ever written. Every story has a beginning. Ours didn't begin with cities or language or even humans. It began when a lifeless planet became alive. From that single beginning, life kept trying again and again for billions of years. Every bird, every whale, every elephant, every insect, and you belong to that same story. We are not standing outside nature. We are one of the ways nature learned to exist. Look closely. Nothing appears all at once. Every living thing inherits a chapter from everything that came before it. And before you think I'm making this up, there is something written inside your body. You share about 99% of your DNA with a chimpanzee. Not because humans came from chimpanzees, but because we share a common ancestor from millions of years ago. Your body still carries the fingerprints of that ancient story. There was a time when humans weren't building cities, we weren't writing books, we weren't changing the world. We were simply trying to survive it. Just another animal, hoping to see tomorrow. So what changed? It wasn't our strength. It wasn't our speed. It wasn't even our brains alone. It was something far more powerful. One mind learning from another. Ideas became our greatest inheritance. One person discovered fire, another made it safer. Someone imagined a wheel, another imagined a ship, another imagined flights, then satellites, then computers, then artificial intelligence. Civilizations weren't built by extraordinary humans. It was built by ordinary humans sharing extraordinary ideas. Every invention is a conversation between generations that never met. The greatest invention wasn't the wheel, it wasn't fire, it was knowledge surviving longer than the people who discovered it. Maybe being an animal was never the insult. Maybe it's the greatest honor you were ever given, because somewhere between ancient ocean and this moment, the universe learned to ask questions about itself. And today, one of those questions is you.